All right, everybody, today working in the shop a little bit on the restoration project of our 966 International Black Stripe. Working on the front end, as you can see. This has been a worker tractor all its life, and all the front end has seen quite a bit of wear, so it's all gotten tore down, and working on getting pins and bushings put it in everything new. And what I'm working on right now is getting these old bearing dust covers replaced, because seems like previous owners had let the old thrust bearing wear plumb out enough that it was just grinding it up and ruining the little cover that surrounded it. So therefore, when you replace all the pins and bushings, you end up with a very healthy gap between the bottom of the spindle and the wheel bearing. So working on getting that changed out and the new one ready to weld on. So let's get at it. Now you can hear the welder. Machine itself. And yes, I know welding in tennis shoes and shorts isn't the greatest of ideas. Because it'll burn right through these shoes, but quite frankly, it's just plain old hot today. August Tennessee weather, about 100. Yeah, pretty warm. So, take the grinder, clean it up a little bit just for the sake of it. Don't really need to as far as clean it up for the welding part, but just because it's going on a restoration of a tractor, I'm going to clean it up so it'll look nice when we paint it, and put it over there with its brother and let it cool down for the rest of the day. Well, folks, I think that's going to do it for this video. That's going to allow us to get the front end back together on this old girl so we can put the power steering motor and everything back in it and find out where we are losing pressure for our TA. We got to do some pressure checks, but we got to get the power steering and everything back together. That way when we start it, we can actually have hydraulic pressure. But here's how the pieces come out. Nice machined inside finish for clearance for the bearing. Cleaned up nice. This one here's the second one. Still a little hot, but it'll cool down sitting in the shop. So that's going to do it for the video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see more of the 966 restoration project, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any questions. Thanks for watching. See ya.